The key fob for the 2009-2017 Chevy Traverse uses a replaceable 3-volt CR2032 battery. This battery powers the remote functions, including locking and unlocking doors, liftgate operation, and the panic alarm. Expect the battery to last 1 to 3 years with normal use, and you can find replacements for $5 to $10 at most retailers. Newer Traverse models post-2018 use more advanced keyless entry, but this video covers the battery replacement for the 2009-2017 fobs. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the release button or notch on the side of the fob to separate the two halves of the casing. Gently pry the case open with your tool. Remove the old battery, noting which side is positive plus. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together. Test the fob's functions: lock, unlock, and panic alarm. If it doesn't work, consult your owner's manual for reprogramming instructions. Avoid moisture and excessive force when disassembling the fob.